Right now, we're seeing an unusual combination in the health sentiment space, a sentiment score holding steady at 0, while momentum has spiked up to plus 1.18. This divergence indicates that while general sentiment isn't shifting, there's an increasing interest or activity in health topics. With our API, you'll receive detailed insights like sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, allowing you to pinpoint the current dynamics in health discussions. Imagine you're building a health-focused application. This data could be invaluable for adjusting your content strategy in real time, ensuring you stay relevant as interest grows despite the neutral sentiment. To dive deeper into the specifics, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this momentum together.